Hello everyone, it's only me, another video, another week. Right, so where are we? Well, we've covered week 13 on the employment contract, week 14 on how that contract can be changed or not, depending. Week 15 on ending a contract, and we've done week 16 on fair and unfair dismissal. This week, or last Tuesday, we did week 17 and week 18 combined. Part of the reason for that is I got asked whether we could do a week on settlement agreements. So we'd probably be doing that after half term, which is next week. Anyway, just to get us started, what's on week 17? Week 17 is getting started on your end of year project. Now, on week 17, there is a synopsis about it that you can read. And basically, you've got to hand in a report around the 2nd of July, which is on a issue or a topic of your choice, and it's got to be linked to employment law. What I'm asking initially is that you come up with 2 ideas, and that you upload those onto the Moodle in week 17. Ideally, and I've put a target for everyone, that by the end of March you ought to have at least 1 developed idea. The ideas can be similar, so it doesn't matter if someone else does redundancy, because, certainly from experience, what I see is that everyone brings something different to the particular topic, and obviously I mentioned that in class on Tuesday. So please have a look at this and have a real think about what you would like to do. And it could be something that we have not covered as part of the course. So, a choice is yours, and you can always talk to me about what it is that you're working on from now till July. The second activity we did was around research methods, and in particular, as this would cover 2.1. So if I can get you to look at different approaches to doing research and research methods, and doing a short evaluation, and then just uploading that. Again, on week 18, this is about, for some of you, revisiting research methods. It is just having an idea, because some of this is what you're going to mention in your report anyway. So I'm thinking it's useful to cover this. Have a look week 17 on the research synopsis. I've also given some guidance on the structure of the report. Other than that, hope to see you after half term, and please keep on uploading your good work. Thanks. Speak to you soon. Bye.